School. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Silent prayer. தமிழ் தாய் வாழ்த்து.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் மதனமென திகழ்வரத கண்டமிதில் எக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம் வியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துது.
School song.
God makes my life bright. Wherever I go, He will lead. He shapes my dreams pure, inspires me to rise, aspire and achieve through hill and dale. Inspires me to rise, aspire and achieve through hill and dale. The flames of Sri Shakti will lead me on the path. The flames of Sri Shakti will lead me on the path of virtue, wisdom and truth. He gives me strength, peace and comfort throughout my life. He gives me strength, peace and comfort throughout my life. God makes my life bright. Wherever I go, He will lead.
Pledge.
India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Class teacher theme-based speech.
A very happy morning to all. Today's assembly theme is Unity in Pandemic. Pandemic. This word was heard by us largely for past 2 years. For our age, this COVID situation is most influenced. But the world faced many pandemic situations like this. In COVID, our routines were largely disturbed. As a school, we switched to physical classroom to virtual classroom method. This shows that the tendency of a human to adapt the situation. On the other hand, the virus also mutated to different derivatives and still it is surviving. Most of us, to protect from this situation, ourselves, we passed all the action plans. Whether the nature did the same? No. Trees are growing, day and nights are flowing, calendar strings, daily our age grows. But what about success? Yes, that's a question mark we are having in our mind. Worldwide, it affected severely 144 countries. But still, everywhere the research is going, scientists and science didn't stop working. When compared to other countries like Brazil, the infected to death rate in India is less. This is because of the unity among us. Yes, we obeyed all the regulations and better handled the situation. Even now, we are handling the situation by vaccinating us, wearing masks, maintaining social distancing, sanitizing ourselves, and etc. This will be effective only if all the individuals are in uniform mindset. The light that illuminates the world is not a single component, it's a composite of different wavelengths. If you are reading an isolated paper of a novel, you will not enjoy the taste unless if you read a complete book. Yes, unity is strength. Being in different locations, we are connected online and our thoughts are connected. Life is not about waiting for the storm to pass. It's all about learning to dance in the rain. Now we are united to face this situation. It's not a problem, it's an opportunity. Yes, it's an opportunity to make a change. We are transformed. We learned a lot new things which we will not learn unless the situation pushes us. Life is full of problems. Yes, life is full of problems to be faced. Problems are not permanent, but life is permanent. We have to face with confidence. Unity brings you confidence. Unity is strength. Unity reduces the load we carry. Unity reduces stress. Unity improves overall quality. There is a beauty and power in unity. Coming together is a beginning. We began. Keeping together is a progress. We are proceeding. Working together is success. Yes, we are on the way. I conclude by saying, let us continue the state of unity to overcome this situation and to achieve success. Together, we can achieve more. Thank you.
Unity in COVID-19 situation. While nature surprises us in cruel ways, the concept of equality is full in display. Nature is completely transparent in its dealings with human beings. The rich and the poor are targeted with equal ferocity. The coronavirus has a global footprint. We are yet to witness the magnitude of its impact. With growing numbers, we must, while hope for the best, be prepared for the worst. The COVID-19 pandemic is one of the most dangerous challenges the world has ever faced in our lifetime. It is above all a human crisis with severe health and socioeconomic consequences. There are so many people who suffer and has faced a lot, and as a member of mankind, we need to extend our hands to help people. The threat is the virus and not the people. So commit to share a little kindness. Giving to people in need right now may help you feel better about the current situation. And while it is little risky to find ways to help during this crisis, you can likely find some opportunities to assist others without leaving home. Spread good news, extend your hands to help people who suffer. Only humanity leads us to unity, and unity will lead us to peace. There is beauty and power in unity. We must be united in our heart and mind, one world and one people. There are so many changes that have happened this year and taught us many lessons and realizations. The things that we often take it for granted are the ones that we need to be grateful for. This year, we have realized how important is it to be with our family during the high times and also in the low and tough times. And we are consequently socially connected with prayers. This year, each faced a different struggle. We all belong to this battle. We need unity, especially during now. We need each other to overcome this challenge. Anything is possible only if we help each other. Every day is another opportunity for us to realize how important life is. Everyone, everybody, what we need is unity. We all are in charge of the situation and we can contribute so much. Unity is strength. Where there is teamwork and collaborations, wonderful things could happen. Unity plays an important role. We need to support and extend our gratitude to our fellow beings. While we share our grief, we also share what we have found, and I'm sure we will emerge a sense of hope together. Where there is unity, there is always victory. Thank you.
Today's thought by Dakshata.
A very happy morning to all. Today's English thought. Human unity is not something we are called on to create, but only something we are called on to recognize. Said by William Stonecoffin. Thank you.
Tamil கவிதை.
வணக்கம். இன்றைய கவிதை. மனதால் இணைவோம், உடலால் ஒதுங்குவோம். கண்ணுக்கு தெரிந்த எதிரியை விட கண்ணுக்கு தெரியாமல் நம் உறவினர்களை கூட்டிச் செல்லும் கிருமி ஆபத்தானது. நோயால் நம்மை பிரித்தவர்கள் பலர், பசியால் நம்மை பிரித்தவர்கள் சிலர். பலர் சிலராகும் முன் அதை மாற்றுவோம். நம் நாடு, நம் மக்கள், நம் சமுதாயம். நம் மக்களை பாதுகாப்பது நம் கடமை. நம்மால் முடிந்தவரை உதவி செய்வோம். தூரமாய் நின்று தர்மம் செய்வோம். மனதால் இணைவோம், உடலால் ஒதுங்குவோம். நன்றி.
Today's story by Vishalini.
Hi, I'm Vishalini from grade 11 and now I'm gonna say a story about a redwood forest. It's a redwood forest. I was walking with my friend. We came upon a park ranger. She was explaining to some tourists the secret of the forest. She told that the redwood trees are the largest trees on the planet. Some of them are hundreds or even thousands of years old, but interestingly, their roots do not grow deep. And then she told that these trees have been standing for centuries and centuries, enduring massive windstorms, slight earthquakes, and without deep roots, how did they keep standing? Then the ranger paused so that we can ponder this mystery. And then she went on to reveal to us the underground secret of the redwood forest. She said that the roots under the ground reaches outward, seeking the roots of other redwood trees. When they met, they intertwined, making a permanent bond with each other. In this way, all the redwood trees in the entire forest are either directly or indirectly giving support to each other. Unity is their strength. Nature is giving humanity. That our real strength is in willingness to take care or support each other. Stay united, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Did you know by Sabarish.
Happy morning. Today's Did You Know? For biggest crisis while COVID-19 pandemic. Devastating flood in Indonesia. Over 4 lakh people had to flee from their houses. Water rose up to 5 feet and destroyed their houses. The Australian bushfire. In 46 acres of land, wildlife and over 33 homes burned by February 2020. Locust swarms in East Africa, Asia and India. These are deadly to crops. In India alone, locusts destroyed 50,000 hectares of cropland. Massive heat wave in North India. Part of North India faced these problems. 10 of the world's hottest places have been recorded in India. Thank you.
Speech on Unity by Jay Karthik.
Currently, not one or two countries, but the entire world is experiencing its deadliest pandemics in history. The pandemic has resulted in social, global, and economic disruptions. The COVID pandemic is one of the most dangerous challenges faced in its lifetime. Now it's time to help each other and for unity for the international community to fight against the virus with solidarity, togetherness, and save the earth together. Thank you.
திருக்குறள்.
வணக்கம், என் பெயர் விஷாலினி. திருக்குறள். அழிவினாவை நீங்கி ஆருய்ந்து அழிவின்கண் அல்லல் உழப்பதாம் நட்பு. பொருள்: அழிவை தரும் தீமைகளிடமிருந்து நீங்கி நல்ல பாதையில் வழிநடந்து அழிவு வந்த காலத்தில் உடனிருந்து துன்பப்படுவதே நட்பாகும். நன்றி.
Quiz by Sriman Sanjeev.
Which country is most affected by COVID-19? The options are India, United States, Brazil, and France. The correct answer is option B, United States. How many days does COVID last in human body after attacking? The options are 14 days, 10 days, 15 days, and 18 days. The correct answer is option A, 14 days. Which is the highest death record in India due to COVID-19 in 24 hours? The options are 3,000, 4,500, 4,200, and 3,800. The correct answer is option B, 4 lakh. From which animal does the COVID-19 started spreading? Options are frog, bat, snake, and dog. And the correct option is option B, bat. Which state has been first attacked by COVID-19 in India? The options are Delhi, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. And the correct option is option B, bat. Which is the highest death record in India due to COVID-19 in 24 hours? The options are 3,000, 4,500, 4,200, and 3,800. The correct option is option B, 4,500.
Today's news. International news by Harshita.
Good morning everyone, this is Harshita here to present today's international news. China's economic recovery is flashing some warning signs. Europe unveils ambitious climate package as it cools on fossil fuels. US to begin evacuation of Afghans who aided US military. Greece and France join Italy in making COVID-19 shots mandatory for health workers, telling them unvaccinated won't get paid. New Israeli government suffers first major legislative setback on controversial citizenship laws. More than 70 killed in South Africa protest after former leader Jacob Zuma is jailed. Volkswagen hopes its electric bus can drive huge sales growth in the United States. The 26-year-old was sentenced to 9 years in jail for breaching COVID-19 restrictions in Singapore. Indians moving to Canada due to outdated H-1B visa policy, said US lawmakers.
National news by Ridhuashini.
National news. Arvind Kejriwal will visit Uttarakhand today. The state should get free pass, says Delhi CM. Classes 11 and 12 to reopen 4 days a week from July 26 in Madhya Pradesh, says CM Shivraj Singh. Kolkata Metro to increase frequency of trains from today. Rajasthan likely to reopen colleges from August. Uttar Pradesh called to allow Kanwar Yatra disturbing will responded today, says Supreme Court. Discussing of school reopening in Tamil Nadu is likely to be held today. Thank you.
Sports news by Yuvan.
Online racist abuse of England players part of bigger problem. Our ideology in white ball cricket needs to change, maybe bring fresh players to mold power. Marcus Rashford urged to ignore nasty bullies in 6 years old fans letter. England crush India as women lost T20I series 2-1, fourth on trot. Indian cricketer in England test positive quarantine.
Business news by Jayshree.
Good morning, everyone. This is Jayshree here to talk about today's business news. China GDP grew 9.7% in the second quarter. Retail sales beat expectation. Wall Street analysts see these risks causing a growth for global market. There is a better hedge against inflation and it's not gold, says fund manager. HSBC sees Singapore as a standout among Southeast Asia's market as region grabs with COVID. World's Business Chicago CEO bullish on post-pandemic recovery. Government to eventually privatize most public sector banks, says Finance Secretary. Gold prices for today has reached about 47,008 rupees per 10 grams. Infosys Q1 net profit rises to 23%. Air India tells HC no favoritism in passenger service system contract. Thank you.
Address by Vice Chairman Sir. Brain Yoga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. National Anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे